That may have been a Rudd, I'm not sure. And so, as we can see, the rocket successfully launched, flew straight and true, but when the ejection charge went off, it completely shredded the fuselage. Try to get it in focus there. So I think we can safely conclude that this particular kind of 3D printed fuselage for the rocket is not a viable option, being only one layer thick as it is. So with that, we'll be wrapping up today's coverage of the test flight. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the skies next time.